This is super awesome. Oh, he got chased away. Oh, these jackass birds. There's a red-bellied woodpecker is coming down. I threw out some red lobster cheddar biscuits, and the birds are like going nuts for them. That's a starling with its baby down there. I guess it's a blackbird or grackle, whichever you want to call it. I call it a grackle. It's like it's like chasing them all. He's like, "Hey, it's mine." Birds are a trip, man. Birds are like humans. I mean, granted, they're all animals, but God, watching how goofy humans and animals act birds act is so similar. It's like, it's mine, it's mine. Little kids, a whole lot of them. It's like they'll have one right in front of them, and they'll be like after another. It's so funny. I totally want the red belly to come back down. That crackle's funny. It's like, I'm gonna jump around. Now, I think the dogs from hell came out next door. If I'm hearing a bark right.